What's going on, everybody? We have a special guest in the shop today, Mr. Alex from Legit Street Cars.
What's up, everybody?
And he's brought us some calipers. Now, normally we clean a lot of calipers, but we don't clean them off the car. This is pretty cool. You brought them off the car.
They came off of a really wrecked, horrible condition E55.
Okay, and what's the story? What are these going on?
So these are going on my 2005 E320 CDI. So it's a diesel Mercedes-Benz that I am souping up. I'm gonna make it handle better, I'm gonna make it stop better, and we're gonna make it look a lot better too.
Nice, so let's get them clean and protected. We're gonna start cleaning them. We have the AMDetails line that we're gonna clean these calipers with. They're painted calipers, so there's not anything special or different that you would be cleaning these with. You clean them just like a normal tire or wheel. It's a lot easier now that the calipers are off the wheel, so let's get started.
Let's do it. Wait, I'm working?
We're always gonna start with the least aggressive option, so we're gonna start with this all-purpose cleaner. And I think it's important to know too, if you have ceramic rotors, like you don't wanna use harsh chemicals on ceramic rotors, you can damage them. So a lot of these products I wouldn't use. If you have ceramic rotors, I would just start with a regular car wash soap. And this is gonna be safe enough. Ceramic rotors don't create a lot of brake dust, so this soap should be able to clean those the way you want them. But these are really nasty, so we're gonna have to take some extra steps. So we're gonna start with the all-purpose cleaner here. And pretty simple, we're gonna spray it on, and then we're gonna agitate it with some brushes, and then we'll rinse it off. And this will get a lot of that oily buildup, the grease buildup, and it probably won't get everything off, but we'll see.
And you would do the exact same procedure if they were on the car, right?
Exactly.
As long as they didn't have the ceramic rotors.
Yep. We do the same thing with the wheels and the rotors. I mean, these are painted, so you're gonna treat them the same way, so.
All right, let's do this.
So let's rinse these off.
Okay.
And then let's move to a little more aggressive chemical to see if this will work a little faster. All right. So this is an acid-free cleaner from AMDetails. This is gonna be a little stronger than an all-purpose. This will be better on wheels and alloy wheels and everything. So let's spray this on there, see how much more this comes up.
Now, is any of this similar to the Iron X that we used on the E55?
Yep, the next step, which is the AM iron, is the iron remover. And that's what, we'll get a lot of cleaning power out of that. But we're just trying to get this first layer of just grease and grime off. That's cutting through the grease.
Oh yeah, definitely. Start to see the word Brembo now.
When you're working with chemicals, it's nice to let it sit on there for a couple minutes and dwell. You know, as we're working it in, it's sitting there and it's doing its job. With any chemical, if you can let it sit there for a couple minutes and really penetrate all that grease, it's gonna work better.
Now, is there ever a point where you would use a more aggressive brush, or do you want to really leave it up to the chemicals?
We have a little more aggressive brush. This toothbrush will have a harder bristles, and it'll get it.
So we're gonna hit this a little bit more with this product, and then we are moving on to the iron remover.
All right, it's a lot more work than we thought it was gonna be. It took multiple steps with AM iron. There's just a lot of built up brake dust that's been on there for years, and we kind of slowly taken a layer at a time off of it. We got it to a point, and not everything's off, some of it's just really baked in there, but we're to a point where, you know, we got 95% of all the brake dust off, so we're gonna rinse them off, and then we're gonna protect them.
So what's what's the deal with the wax? This isn't like a normal automotive wax. It's got to hold up to some crazy temperatures.
Right, this is a high temperature wax. It's great for wheels or calipers, anything that gets hot. It's a lot more durable on these high temperature sensitive items. So pretty easy to put on. We're just going to apply a layer of wax. And this particular product, you want it to let it sit on there for 30 minutes and then you wipe it off. That's that easy.
And you can use this on exhaust as well, right?
Yep, exhaust, yeah, any metal parts, anything that has temperature to it, brake calipers, wheels.
That's a cool orange color.
Yeah, it smells good too. So what this is going to do, it's going to prevent that corrosion from building up. Next time you go to clean this, it's going to be a lot easier to clean, and just a layer of protection on there from all the salt and other stuff that you're going to encounter on the roads. This will probably last anywhere from 4 to 6 months on your wheels and calipers, and then you'll want to replace it. All right, the AMG calipers are now clean and protected with the AMDetails products. It wasn't bad, it took about a couple hours.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad, and I just can't believe how good they look. I mean, with the wax especially, they just have like a shine to them that they definitely did not have before. So really excited to get these on the diesel project now. They're gonna look fantastic.
Once you get them on, next time you clean them, hopefully it'll be nice and easy.
I'm doing an experiment. I'm gonna go a couple thousand miles, Chicago city traffic driving, get these as dirty as I can, and then see how easily they wipe away now that we've put this stuff on. So really excited to test this out.
Awesome. Thank you, Alex, for coming in. Alex has his own channel, Legit Street Cars, on YouTube. He's gonna do his own version of a video of what we did here, so go check him out. See you next time.